sinister shadow. My name is Harumi, the Jade Princess. You may think you know my story, but you don't. As a child, the ninja were my heroes. Until the day the Great Devourer attacked Ninjago. Although my parents found a way to save me, they couldn't save themselves. The ninja, my beloved heroes, had failed me. Failed us all. I was adopted by the Emperor and Empress of Ninjago, making me a princess. But becoming royalty couldn't fill the emptiness in my heart, so I began plotting my revenge. I resurrected the greatest enemy the ninja have ever faced, Lord Garmadon. But the results spun out of my control. The city was attacked yet again. I couldn't let another family be torn apart like mine was. That's how people think my story ended. But sometimes an ending is really a new beginning.
Harumi, awaken! Hear me.
Where am I?
You are with me. I have been watching you for some time, Princess. Your skill and daring have impressed me. But you have chosen a poor champion.
I don't understand.
You have placed your faith in Garmadon. A poor choice. He failed you, and you are abandoned again.
Who are you? How do you know all this?
I am the Crystal King, and I have the power to restore you. If you will serve me.
But I don't even know who you are.
A shame. I expected courage from you, Harumi. Not reservation, not fear. But it seems I was wrong. Enjoy eternity in a departed realm.
No, wait! I'll do it. I'll serve you.
Very well. Then I shall grant you life anew. Good. Now take us out of here.
I don't have the strength.
You do now.
Now, what?
Take me to the place where you revealed your true face for the first time.
The Oni Temple.
Go to the altar. Place the crystal on the pedestal, like a seed. From it will grow a new dawn. Excellent.
You're the Overlord.
I have had many names. Dark Lord, Golden Master, Crystal King, and yes, Overlord.
I can't serve you. You'll destroy everything.
Destruction comes from conflict, from the eternal struggle between light and dark. I will end that struggle. If you serve me, I will destroy the balance and end the conflict once and for all. There will be peace in the dark.
I will serve you.
Good. Then my first command is this. Build me an army.
I've recruited mercenaries before for the Sons of Garmadon, but...
I didn't tell you to recruit an army. I told you to build one. Out of Vengestone. Let my enemy's weakness be my strength.
Vengestone is difficult to come by. It took a lot of searching, but I eventually found a nearly endless supply.
Greetings, Princess Harumi. How good to see you again.
Vangelis.
Unfortunately, we must postpone our negotiations. I have visitors arriving any moment. Visitors I do not think you want aware of your presence.
What visitors?
The ninja.
The ninja could ruin everything. Your so-called perfect city runs on the money I pay you for that black market Vengestone.
Do you really think I'm unprepared for the ninja? I control Shintaro in ways you cannot imagine.
Fear nothing. My Gekul and Monk's workers will provide every ounce of the Vengestone your Crystal King requires. And if the ninja are destroyed in the process, so be it.
Enter! It is with great honor, King Vangelis, that I present the famed Ninja of Ninjago.
But, of course, King Vangelis was defeated, putting an end to his Vengestone mines. And the blame for this lay firmly on...
The ninja!
Oh wow, I've been waiting for this. I've worked so hard to make it to the top, and it's actually happening. Oh, wait. I had a line for this. Oh yeah. I've got a warm welcome plan!
With King Vangelis' operation shut down, I had to get the last of the Crystal King's Vengestone from less reputable sources.
You were there all along? You were the mysterious Vengestone buyer we were trying to track?
The greatest villain is the one that got away. Remember?
So you're using the Vengestone to build an army? But what are you gathering all these villains for?
Well, I needed enough players for my villainous volleyball team, of course.
Are you serious?
Of course I'm not serious.
Well, it's hard to tell with you sometimes.
How you ended up leading Ninjago's greatest heroes is beyond me. It's amazing how gullible you are.
I don't normally fall for things like that, but I'm a little frustrated and confused right now.
Well, this is only the beginning of your frustrations. Because the next part of my plan involves breaking into your precious monastery of Spinjitzu.
Is that what this is about? You're trying to take over the monastery?
No. I have zero interest in your monastery. But I am interested in the weapons of Spinjitzu, which are inside the monastery.
But why? What do you need them for? They no longer have any power.
You of all people should realize power is never really destroyed. How many times have you and your ninja lost your powers, only to regain them?
Harumi!
What? I'm clearly trying to leave in a dramatic way.
There's something I need you to know. You once told me you never actually had feelings for me. That was all just a trick. Maybe that's true. But my feelings for you were real.
Then why didn't you come for me?
I did! Harumi! Harumi! I searched through that rubble with my bare hands.
You didn't search long enough.
I understand you hate me, and maybe I deserve it. But either way, I can't let you get your hands on those weapons! So, I'll just be going now. Sorry, Rumi.
No. I'm sorry, Lloyd.
yours!
In the presence of this much Vengestone, you are powerless, Lloyd. There's nothing you can do to stop the coming of the Crystal King. And Ninjago will finally find peace in the darkness of his rule.